Hello guys, this is my voice. So, yes, I'm gonna be using my real voice from now on. But, today I'm going to show you how I normally would make one of my thumbnails. The video I'm gonna make a thumbnail for is this Snowflake Pinky video. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a new thumbnail. It already has a thumbnail. It looks like this. Yeah, you can see that it's a bit of a rough outline around the emoji. Not a big fan of that. So I'm going to try and see if I can make a better one than this. So I'm just gonna minimize this, and then I'm going to open Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use something called Photopea or Photopea. The link is just on screen right now. So you can just do the exact same thing that I'm doing, but in Photopea. It's basically the same. So yeah. The first thing I'm going to do is oh my god, that's loud. Find a spot in the video that I want to use. This frame right here. Yeah, that's good. So I'm just gonna go full screen and take a screenshot. Let's just bump it up to 1080p. It's much better. Nice. Okay, just gonna get this right here. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna create a new picture. Create new. Sorry, it's my Photoshop is in Danish. Yeah, there's probably gonna be some translations on screen if I don't tell you what it's called in English. So sorry for that. But just choose 1920 by 1080. Then you are going to get the oh my god, what am I doing? Get the picture in here, just like that. Then I'm gonna remove the background by just clicking the little lock thing so it disappears. Then remove it. So what we're gonna do now is I would probably like to remove some of the background like this. So first of all, I'm gonna remove the sky. So just take the little magic wand here and click on the sky and then click delete. So as you can see, it's not gonna be perfect, but you're gonna try a few different places like that, and boom, it's gone. To deselect, you can go up in select here and deselect. Okay, perfect. So now I am just gonna resize it like that, like this, on the little resize thingy tool. Oh, what is happening? Okay, just gonna drag it around a bit, like this, until it matches about the size. Yeah, this looks about fine. So now I'm just gonna select his Minecraft character by using the magic wand again. So now that you have got him selected, you can go up here in edit, then find draw on selection, I think it's called in English. It's this one. I hope you are gonna be able to find it. But click on that and this thing will pop up. Let's just try and choose 10 pixels. Then choose the color right here. I will choose pink because that matches his character. Then just click OK. And it made a outline. This looks weird for some reason. Okay, so a lot just happened. It didn't work a few times. So this is the settings you want. You want to make sure that the character is the only thing selected. And I mean the only thing, because else it's not gonna work. So make sure it's about 10 pixels. You have the color that you want. Opacity is 100. And this one is on normal. Then click OK. Now as you can see, there's a outline around him. So now you can just deselect him. And now what you want is probably get some sort of text in here. So let's see what it says right here. So it says dårligt eller godt 2000 subs, which means bad or good 2000 subs. So in this case I'm just gonna write bad or good and 2000 subs instead of writing it in Danish, because this is an English video. But now you can just select the text tool, select the color that you want. I think maybe blue would be good for this. This kind of blue, probably. Make sure it's the best size. I'm just gonna try 72 and see if that's good. I'm just gonna try using the Arial font. That's very simple. So now you can just start writing. Bad or good. I'm gonna select the move thingy, get it in the middle, about here, resize it. Perfect. I think I'm gonna make a shadow too, so you can do that by right clicking on the layer down here. Oh my god, my computer's like, okay, and choose the one that's the first one. Then a menu should open. Okay, so now you want to choose outer glow here. I hope that's the right one. So I am just gonna use a black one like this. This one you want to be normal as well. I think size is gonna be like 70 pixels. This one I'm gonna put down to like 21. Opacity like 75. Maybe get it a bit bigger, I guess. Change this a bit as well. Okay, that's a bit much. Okay, just copy these settings. That's that's good. As you can see, he wrote 2,000 subs as well. So I'm just gonna write that here. Finally, it worked. Let's just write 2,000 subs? Question mark. Like this. This actually looks fine. So I think we are about done. Let's just see. So what thumbnail would you prefer? Whoa. Editor center here. I just realized that I forgot to add a background. So I simply would have just added a layer behind all of the other layers with a solid blue or white image. So yeah, that's just what I would have done. Bye bye. And what video would you click on? Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.